What's up everyone? Today in this lovely sunny weather, I'm here in this beautiful garden to tell you about the brand new Ronix gasoline brush cutters. Stay with me. Have you ever had problems cutting or trimming grass and bushes in your garden? Hey, let's go. Ronix brush cutters come in different styles. This is a 45-55. It's wheeled and it's like a trolley. You can just push it around. These ones are handheld. They are also known as bicycle or bike handle because of the shape of the handle they have. But they all have one thing in common: a powerful 1350 watt two-stroke engine with 51.7 cc displacement capacity. The power will be delivered to the metal blade or the trimming head right here by a shaft through this 26mm steel pole to give you the rotary speed of 7,500 revolutions per minute. These brush cutters are essential to all gardeners and whoever lives in a house with a green yard because they are used to do many tasks like trimming, planting, mowing, sodding and many others. So versatile? Of course. Efficient? Sure. User-friendly? Why not? Let's see how they really work. The harness is super easy to wear. You just wear it like a backpack. You click it in. The pad is on your right side and there's a little hook right here, and there's a hanger on the pole which goes to the hook. You turn it on and you're set to go.
Ronix premium quality.